Well, good morning, everybody. This is Jeremy Williams representing Garden City Ammonia Program, and today is Tuesday, April 14th. I got another R717 tip of the day, and outside right now doing some of our checks, and had a smell of ammonia odor. So I think what today we'll be talking about is how to identify where a small ammonia leak may be, if one may be present. Man, it's cold today. We've hit highs of 80s, 90s, and this morning 22 degrees. I hope everybody's safe and well. And let's see if we can't make this happen. At the end, we'll have a chance to win a GCAP shirt, and some rules on that will be coming in. And well, we got some more coming on here. Let me talk about a couple other things before we give the tip out. Mark your calendars right now. July 17th, 2020, the biggest National Ammonia Safety Day in the world. It's called NASD, N-A-S-D. Kansas City, Kansas, 700 people attending. We're limited to only about 50 booth vendors and 14 different training topics. $35, 8 hours of refresher or initial training. You don't want to miss it. It's National Ammonia Operator Call-in Sick Day, 717, July 17th. So if you can't make it to the safety day, go out fishing and take a day off, especially after everything else that's happening in this world. But let me flip this around and make my way back downstairs and see if I can't get an idea of where this ammonia leak may be coming from. So I was up here on System D's catwalk on our cooling tower and doing our visual checks out here and safety inspections. Man, it's a beautiful day. The sun is coming up. It's going to be a good one. Bright, sunny afternoon. And let's make our way down here. So what you're seeing here is GCAP's new high pressure receiver. Doing our physical checks around that, I thought I smelled a little bit of ammonia. So what I went to go get was our ammonia odor investigation procedure to do a little review, a little refresher of what would be needed. I got me some matches, and I got me our ammonia detector. Right now it's calibrated and it's at 0 parts per million. Thank you, Calibration Technologies. And I went and got me some good old, what we call sulfur sticks. These are from Shambaugh & Sons. Call these guys, they'll get you as many cases of these things that you need. And what I'd like to do is try to figure out where this leak may be coming from. So an old school guy taught me a pretty cool trick the other day. He said, you know what, if you dip that sulfur stick in a little bit of water, and don't get the whole thing wet, but majority of it, and then you flip it around and you light the end that's dry, it can help you out. So what I'd like to do is try to get the sulfur stick lit and see if we can't get an open flame on it. So the side that I am lighting is the dry side. Everything else is wet. And not to say this too loud, but my dad one time taught me how to smoke a cigar when I was a young kid, and he made me lick the outside. He said it'd make it a longer burn. Maybe the same philosophy is true here. So let's start right here on the high pressure liquid line. I always like to have the sulfur stick underneath the device of what I'm trying to look for, because ammonia gases rise, sulfur dioxide gases rise, and there is no chemical reaction taking place. If we come over here and start on the bellow of that weld, come around, oh wow, what's starting to happen right there? Right at about the top of that sight glass. Hope you guys can maybe see this in the video. And since we thought it may have been there, we drew a little arrow where the pinhole may be. And if we zoom in just a little bit there and get the soak away, you may see the pinhole leak that has developed there on that weld. And I'll continue this exercise, rechecking the entire tank. But that's your R717 tip of the day. Sulfur sticks are great. You want to make sure that you light them in a place that you have some good ventilation. Check out your safety data sheet. Our policy here at GCAP is that once the sulfur stick is lit, or any matches, it will always be dropped into a container of water to do its extinguish. And man, really messed up my hair coming down the stairs, but nevertheless, I guess it's time for a haircut. Once all these stores open back up, maybe go get a trim. Thanks for tuning in today. And so two things I just want to maybe refresh your mind on. Have access to your sulfur sticks, have some training on them, have a procedure on how to find small leaks in your facility, have procedures on how to handle those leaks if they are discovered and what you would do from that point forward. Obviously that tank would have to go through a pump down, pump out, and a rebeaded weld on that pinhole link once the ammonia is removed. Remember, July 17, 2020 is NASD, National Ammonia Safety Day, and remember that we're going to have a giveaway. So this is what we need. We got 3 rules. I need you to like this post. I need you to share this post. And instead of comment somebody's name, I want you to comment your favorite number. That number is between 1 and 500. That number right now is hidden inside of this piece of paper. And about 5 o'clock today, whoever is on that number or the closest to it will receive them a free CRO, or Certified Refrigeration Operator shirt, sponsoring it by Garden City Ammonia Program. Ammonia stinks, safety doesn't. If you haven't yet, check out our websites. gcapcoolcast.com is our online training. It's live and ready to go. We're traveling all over the country to do specialized training and house your plants. So if you know somebody out there that needs less than 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 or 4 guys to get trained on a specific topic, we'll come see you and we'll develop a specialized course. Till then, keep it in the pipes and take care.